Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks so much for tuning in. For today's video, we get to take an up-close and personal and in-depth look at this pre-owned vehicle that came here. It's a 2000 Ford Mustang Coupe. I'd like to thank Lakeshore Motors for providing this example featured in today's video. This thing is stunning, but I like this one. So as always guys, this is giving me a full in-depth tour of the Mustang. We'll start the engine, show it off, go over the performance details, as we'll show the few features of the interior and as well as exterior. And that's a great model for 2000. Pretty basic, so I hope you guys enjoy. And so, without further ado, let's go and hop on in, start it up, let it run. Our tester is finished in dark black clear coat and features dark charcoal interior package with all the different 2000 Mustang lineup. The basic model for 2000 is all the different functions as color X and cross stitching, and the hood is not introduced until the late 1990s and throughout all the different functions. The standard on the Mustang Coupe features hydraulic steering for better fuel efficiency and rack and pinion steering. It's routed to a 4-spoke multifunction steering wheel that comes standard from the factory. All your multifunction controls locate on the steering wheel with all your easy access over here. It's to give it a hard, soft touch. Initially, with the Ford Mustang debuted for the 1994 model year, all engines compared with the base and GT and 3.8-liter V6 and 4.6-liter V8. There's two different transmissions available and a standard electronic limited slip differential, the 5-speed manual and the 5-speed automatic. This example features the 5-speed automatic transmission for better fuel efficiency with a leather-wrapped shift knob. And so, we're going to flip on the headlamps and hazards. The windows are located over here, the passenger window and the driver's side window over here. So let's go check out the exterior. The Ford Mustang is an American automobile manufactured by Ford. It was originally based on the platform of the second-generation North American Ford Falcon. The original Ford Mustang 4-seater concept car had evolved into the 1962 Mustang 2-seater prototype. It also features an identical car segment, such as the Chevrolet Camaro, Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, Plymouth Barracuda, Dodge Challenger, and the Toyota Celica, which are imported to the United States. The Ford Mustang was brought out 5 months before the normal start of the production 1965 model year. The earliest versions are like 1964, but VIN-coded by Ford and titled as 1965 models. And through Michigan, in 1964, the new car was introduced to the public of April 17, 1964 at the New York World's Fair. The Ford Mustang is available at two different power plants in 2000. The 3.8-liter V6 is available, and the 4.6-liter V8, and it develops 190 horsepower, 5,250 RPM, and 220 pound-feet of torque at 2,750 RPM. And now let's go see how it sounds. Now we're going to shut her up. This Mustang features a AM/FM radio with CD player and tape cassette player located on the middle portion of the modified center stack. and throughout the interior is nice and clean, simple, with easy access to all your necessary controls.
Because I didn't have the material, I hadn't read in Catalan outside the school. I had to read more Catalan authors. I had to be more implicated in Catalan literature, in Catalan, the dubbings from of the movies in Catalan.
You have your sun visors with all the safety instructions of English here. Very simple.
It has more monosyllabic words.
And not to mention your manually dimming rearview mirror. And your main illumination over here is over here, and your dim lamps on top. As we continue over here in the center console, you also have a digital clock located over here, your tape player like you saw earlier, and your CD player like you saw earlier. Over here you have your climate controls over here. You can change all the different zones, max AC, normal AC, temperature, blower fan, and your mix, and your floor and vent, as well as front defrost. And then here's your hazards like you saw earlier, your headlight switch, on and off, cruise control, turn signals, as well as your windshield wipers. Pretty basic. The steering wheel's got a nice, simple, clean design over here, with the Ford Mustang instrumentation cluster, and then now to mention your odometer down below. Alrighty. We'll go and shut her down. And we'll check out the rest of the vehicle. Now we'll check out the passenger. Here's the passenger side here. Right over here you have your glove box, your Mustang logo, and your shifter. Your same sun visors. You have your sliding visor here. Very cool. It's very traditional, pretty basic for a 2000 model. And as well as your power locks over here. Soft to the touch. Pretty cool. Well everyone, I hope you enjoyed the in-depth look at the 2000 Ford Mustang Coupe. Be sure to stay tuned next time for more automotive videos. There's a lot more where it came from. Take care everybody.